Shit, real quick. All right. We done made it to Lake Tahoe now. Incline Village, actually. Can't really see. Incline Village. And we're gonna go do the Monkey Rock trail. Monkey Head. It's a fat ass monkey head, but we're gonna go to Monkey Head Rock and check that out from up there. What's up, fucking buddy?
You keep saying Monkey Head.
Oh, Monkey Rock Trail. So we're gonna go do that. Monkey Rock. So we're gonna go do that real quick. And
It looks like a monkey head.
it looks like a monkey head. So that's what I'm saying, bro. That's a better name. All right, we on the way up now. Catch you guys when we get there. Yeah. We actually made it to the hike now. Huh? We gotta pay?
To walk in?
I don't know. We're gonna walk anyways.
Why am I paying the same amount as a horse?
This is why I like the mountains so much. When I go to the mountains, dude, I feel better. Like you feel like,
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad!
Everybody stop to take a little smoke break. Deja over there. My turn.
Oh wait, I didn't get yours.
I'm over here fighting for my life, bro.
And the Benjamin.
We gotta wait for these people to pass.
Tell them it's been 5 minutes since we last started. Since we started the hike.
So how long has it been?
5 minutes.
Oh yeah, I did cross country.
That's it. We was up here running.
For lacrosse,
You know, the mile in high school, that's what this train is for.
longest we had to do. Help slow you down.
Alright, quick update. It's really been, yep, that's the way to do it. Look at him. He got the, told you, side to side. Oh, well, let me not get him. My bad. Anyways,
You need
we've
help?
been hiking for about an hour now, so we got about like 15 minutes left. But yeah, oh, he about to eat it, yeah. Anyways, we're gonna keep it going right now after these people. I believe we have made it. This way. Where's it at though? Huh? I said, where's it at though? Oh, is it that one right there? Where's it? This one over here, you think? Oh, right there, look.
Oh.
Made it to Monkey Rock, Monkey Head.
Yeah, that's a gorilla.
We made it. The Monkey Rock. They're up there. Fuck, it's fucking beautiful right here. Hella nice. Shows a little sketchy coming down, but it's alright. Like that? We made it to the top of Monkey Head Trail. Look at this. It's about to rain though, so we need to head down. And we out. According to my calculations, it's gonna rain. I should get out of here.
You go like this. Can mingros.
Like a
88% chance.
88% chance it's gonna rain. Maybe like an 89.
Dang.
Yeah, alright, let's go.
You ready?
I got rocks on my shoes. I gotta take them out real quick and then we'll continue.
Right here. Beautiful. I just want you to know you're my favorite girl.
Oh! Fuck.
You good?
I know.
I know.
We're back on recording.
No, you're okay. You're good. You're good.
Fuck. You know what this remind me of?
What?
When we went to the volcano in Costa Rica.
Oh, that's what I was thinking about earlier.
Yeah. And then remember when we got to the bottom and we saw the little volcano? Oh, it's already starting to rain. This is the little gorilla head. Alright, what to do, y'all? We back in the car now. Better snack. Remember at the top, we saw the lightning. So I said, fuck all that bullshit. We about to go down. And now we're down. Now we're about to head home. Yeah, so maybe we'll get a little scenic drive. I just gotta hold the camera a little bit while I'm driving. But yeah, we'll catch you guys later. We out.